Okay, quickly, I wanted to go over something that's helped me in the um, visual aspect as I design this home. Something that's really helped me is the Surface Painter. If you go up to this right hand side right here, it's a little paintbrush and click on that. That gives you tons and tons of options to the different aspects of your home. Here I've chosen kind of a white wooden siding, but just to demonstrate, I can really change this to any color I want. So if I wanted to, right here, I can use the masonry finish um, color, and I can just apply that by clicking, and there you can see that obviously we wouldn't put that on a wall, but for demonstration's sake, there you've got a brick, and this is something that's uh, at least made the design of my home a lot easier and a lot quicker, and I hope it helps you guys as well.